Hello my dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we are doing arithmetic progression unit 5 of 10th class NCERT. So in the previous videos I explained you how to convert the given application statement into the AP and how to judge whether the given AP is given series number series is AP or not. So now today we are going to do question number 3 of 5.1 exercise. So let's start. So dear students, what is question number 3? Let us read it out and do write the questions in your notebook before doing the solutions. Find the following APs for the following APs, that means they are already given series as AP. Write the first term and the common difference. So what is given to us? The AP is given to us. We need to find out the first term, and as you all know, first term is denoted by A, and that is equal to the first term, that is A1. That is, what is A1 in this? 3. So the first term will be 3, right? First term will be 3. Now for common difference D, what is the formula? Subtract the previous value from the next value. Which is next? A2 minus A1, or A3 minus A2, or A4 minus A3. As this is AP, it is given that it is AP, that means difference is same. तो हम किसी के भी थ्रू D निकाल सकते हैं. So what is A2? A2 is 1. Then minus of the formula A1 is 3. So plus minus minus, 3 minus 1 is 2, but the greater number is of negative sign, so D will be negative. So D is equal to minus 2. So similarly, dear students, I hope you will be able to do the remaining parts also. So let's quickly solve them. So let's solve the second part. The AP is given to you. Let us write down the first term. First term is A, that is A1. What is A1 in this? Minus 5. So A is, first term is minus 5. Then common difference D. D, the formula is A2 minus A1. So what is A2? It is minus 1. Be very careful now. A2 is minus 1. Then a minus from the formula. And then what is A1? Minus 5. Again minus is there. So be very particular about this, okay? So minus 1 minus minus plus 5. So 5 minus 1 will be 4. So this will be your common difference. Greater is of positive sign, so plus 4. Right? Now let's do the third part. The first term denoted by A is 1 by 3. This is the first term. And let us find out the common difference now. Again, A2 minus A1, you can take any. If you will write A1 minus A2, your question will become wrong. So be very sure. A2 minus A1. So what is A2? A2 is 5 by 3 minus A1 is 1 by 3. So take the LCM, 3. Both the denominators are equal to LCM. So 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 3. So D will be 4 by 3. This is the common difference. Now fourth part. So now fourth part. In fourth part, first term. What is first term? 0.6 is the first term. And let us find out the common difference, that is A2 minus A1. So what is A2? It is 1.7. So minus from the formula. What is A1? 0.6. So when you will subtract it, I hope you know how to subtract the decimals and add the decimal ke niche decimal. So 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So it will be 1.1. So this is the common difference. So I hope, dear students, the concept is clear to you about this question, right? So after this, I'll give you assignment also related to these questions, okay? So practice the questions yourself also. Now dear students, let's do question number 4. Which of the following are APs? पहला पार्ट क्या है? We have to check out of these series which are APs. If they form an AP, means if it is an AP, then find the common difference. This is the second part. And then third part is, and write 3 more terms. So we have been asked the 3 things which are APs that will check by common difference. If it is an AP, then find out the common difference, of course. Then write 3 more terms. Means in each of the part 4 terms are given to us. So next to 4 terms will be, this is A1, A2, A3, A4. तो हमें next 3 और निकालनी है. Next 3 terms निकालनी है. Means we need to find A5, A6, A5, A6 and A7. So let us do the first part now. So dear students, now right now it is not an AP. We have to check whether this is an AP or not. So to check whether this is an AP or not, we need to minimum find out 3 common differences. So for first the formula is A2 minus A1. For second, A3 minus A2. For third, A4 minus A3, like this. Just put the values. A2 is 4 minus 2. A3 is 8 minus 4. A4 is 16 minus A3 is 8. So let us find out the common difference. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 16 minus 8 is 8. Is it same? Is it same? No. So this implies D1 is not equal to D2 is not equal to D3. So this implies this is not an AP. So if it is not an AP, the question ends here. तो हम अगले 2 पार्ट सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. This is the answer. Okay. Now let's do the second part. Let's see the second part. The series of numbers given to us is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. This is the series of the numbers given to us, and first of all we'll mark them as A1, A2, A3, A4. So by marking it, it will be easy for us to find out common difference. D1, D2, D3. So what is D1? A2 minus A1. What is D2? A3 minus A2. A3, D3, A4 minus A3. So what is A2? It is 5 by 2. Then minus, what is A1? It is 2. A3 is 3 minus A2 is 5 by 2. Then A4 is 7 by 2 minus A3 is 3. So let us solve them by taking LCM. 2, 5, 2 2s are 4. This will be 1 by 2. 5 minus 1, 4. So 1 by 2. So let's take the LCM. 2. 2 3s are 6 minus 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2 again. So next take the LCM. 2. So 7 as it is. 2 3s are 6. So 7 minus 6 is again 1 by 2. So here you can see D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to D, and कितना आया D? हम सेकेंड पार्ट का आंसर यहीं कर देते हैं. So D is 1 by 2. So which of the is it AP? So we'll write yes, this is an AP of common difference 1 by 2. So second part we have done. Now write 3 more terms. तो A1, A2, A3, A4 गिवन है. नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स कौन सी होंगी? A5, A6, A7. So A5, what is the formula? A plus 5 minus 1D means 4D. A plus 6 है तो क्या आ जाएगा? 5D. 7 है तो क्या आ जाएगा? 6D. So put the values. So what is A? A is the first term. This is A. That is 2 plus 4 into D. What is D? 1 by 2. So multiplication है, हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. This is the fifth term. Similarly, what is a? It is the first term. 2 plus 5 multiplied by 1 by 2. This will be solved further. 2 plus 5 ones are 5 by 2. Now take the LCM. For this we need to take the LCM. So 2 twos are 4 plus 5. That is 9 by 2. This is sixth term. Now let us find out the seventh term. That is a plus 6d. A is 2 plus 6 into d is 1 by 2. So we'll solve it further. We'll solve it. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3 plus 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5. So this will be your seventh term. So dear students, try the remaining parts of this question yourself and we will discuss them in the next lecture. So if the common difference is not same, that means this is not an AP, the question ends up here. But if the common difference is same, then we'll say yes, this is an AP, this is the answer to first question. Then difference we have already found out, this is 1 by 2. Then we need to find out 3 more terms, that means A5, A6, A7 like this. Put the values and get the answer. So that's all. Try the remaining parts yourself. Okay, be very careful when the negative terms are given in the list of numbers. So we will discuss them in the next video.